Pelumi Olajengbesi was never counsel to Igbo. He lacks a verse to speak for him, says senior advocate Chief Yomi Haliu, senior advocate of Nigeria, the legal counsel to Yoruba Nation agitator Sunday Adeyemo aka Sunday Igboho, and popularly known as Igboho also. On Monday stated that Pelumi Olajengbesi, who recently announced his resignation from Igboho's legal team, was never the lawyer to Igboho but the counsel to Ilana Omo Odua. Aliyu stated that he instructed the Olajengbesi to secure the release of the 12 people arrested in Igboho's house and never involved in him in Igboho's matter, as he has a limited brief. He is at no time counsel to Chief Adeyemo, but rather Ilana Odua that paid him for services he rendered to them. Whether he could turn around to condemn the harrod of those who paid him depends on his conscience. Yes, he knows I found down their wish to pay me for professional services to Chief Sunday Igboho, he stated. Ali, who explained that his attention has been directed by Chief Sunday Igboho, Sunday Adeyemo himself, told the online statement of Pelumi Olajengbesi that he has resigned from the legal team of Chief Sunday Adeyemo aka Igboho Sha. Pleaded with members of the public to disregard whatever Olajengbesi or Mr. Koiki stated to have purportedly emanated from Chief Sunday Adeyemo, as they lacked the verse to do so. They lacked the prowess. However, why Pelumi could say anything for the 12, and that will be after clearance from me, which has not taken in recent times. He has no right to say anything on behalf of Chief Sunday Adeyemo aka Sunday Igboho Osha, since he is not his counsel. Without infringing on the rules of professional conduct, no good counsel does that. Koiki, on his path, can say whatever he likes on behalf of his Ilana Odua group, but not for Chief Sunday Adeyemo aka Sunday Igboho. Each of them should be held personally liable for their utterances. Aliyu emphasized, wow, it's getting offer. He further condemned the statements made by Professor Banji Akintoye, adding that let it be on record that I also condemn the statement of Baba Professor Akintoye that there will be no election or elections rather in Ekiti and Osun State. The justice is not a one-way traffic but three-way, one for them, one for the public, and another for government. Since time, yes, I, Chief Yomi Aliyu, the senior advocate of Nigeria, am the only person authorized in writing by my client, Chief Sunday Adeyemo aka Igboho Sha, to ask for him or make statements on his behalf. I sincerely hope my two brothers will be guided accordingly. Okay, this is coming from Aliyu. Aliyu is the lead counsel to Sunday Igboho in Ibadan. If I may be precise, yes, he said, I, Chief Yomi Aliyu, senior advocate of Nigeria. Wow, with prowess, that man, he get pride. Yes, he says, I am the only person authorized in writing by my client. That's so interesting. Well, he says Chief Sunday Adeyemo aka Igboho Sha had to ask for him. Yeah, he was asking for Sunday Igboho. He further condemned the statements made by Professor Banji Akintoye, adding that let it be on record that I also condemn the statement of Baba Professor Akintoye that there will be no election in Ekiti and Osun State. Justice is not a one-way traffic. That is so very interesting. It's not a one-way traffic. As it is, I would say Aliyu really knows what he is saying. Definitely he knows what he is saying. That Sunday Igboho only authorized him as to speak for him as a spokesman or the lead counsel, like what he has said here. He said it. He said Sunday Igboho says he should act for him or make statements on his behalf. That is what it is. So he said, I sincerely hope his two brothers will be guided accordingly. I don't know who he is referring to as two brothers, but as it is, I would say Pelumi Olajengbesi and Koiki Media. Yes, the one that owns Koiki Media. You know that man. Yeah, let me read few comments. It's been a while I read comments from people concerning this kind of interesting story. And someone says a good point. Olaji Ngbesi has no legal right to speak for Sunday Igboho, but he acted in that manner to appease Buhari because of his Olaji Ngbesi political career. If you don't say no, please do now. Olaji Ngbesi is contesting for gubernatorial seat in Osun. Ilana employed him and he delivered what he just needed to deliver and deliver justice to face is a contract not to dabble into what does not concern him. Yes, I don't think Olaji Ngbesi has any fault here. If you think he has a fault, you can buttress or let's hear your view over this, because I don't really understand. This thing is getting more complicated, but as it is, I believe everybody is speaking their mind. And as a lawyer, I would say Olaji Ngbesi is a lawyer, and I believe he is doing his job. He's doing his job. So if lawyer would support you, would say anything, just know that he is doing his job. He can lie for you. He will say the truth for you. He can protect you through his words, and he can also indict you. That is the work of lawyer. So don't think because they are on your side today will still be on your side tomorrow. No. If you have a case with someone and you are not using that lawyer, if that lawyer is the person against your counsel, you take it the way you see it. That's what it is. Yeah, see all these people again. Now you are not fighting for the federal government and Cotonou government. Now yourself, you guys are fighting. Wow. Okay, these guys have thrown a word. To them, say no seriously minded will comment on Sunday. Illogicalities. Okay, I don't really understand what this person is saying. And only fool will not be bold to say the truth. Igboho is fighting a good cause, but in a wrong and illiterate way. When try to suggest they will tag as enemy of agitations. Okay, let me answer this person. Sunday Igboho, you might be an illiterate. What about the literates? Those I think they are literates. What were they doing when Fulani herdsmen were killing, everybody in Ibarapala, Igogo, in Ibadan? What were the elites doing, or I would say what were the illiterates doing? Please, this is a battle for oneself. I believe what Sunday Igboho is doing for himself. He's doing for himself. And not for any other person, for himself and the love he has for the people of Europe. He's not seeking for any position, and don't tag Sunday Igboho or any other person has been lobbying or thereabout. Yeah, politicians can lobby. You understand? Ordinary person can lobby. But this issue of agitation, I don't think there is a higher of truth by saying Sunday Igboho is illiterate and his approach was wrong. Well, I believe people who have a good approach should come out and let's follow their approach. That is what it is. So if he has been doing this in his own volition, people are going out with him to for rally, you should know that he's really doing well. So don't let us be on social media and start saying, okay, you have every right to say your opinion, but don't conclude. Yeah, you can give us your opinion and do not conclude. Well, this way I'm going to draw the curtain. I would like you to share your views in the comment section. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get more notification. Yes, thank you for listening to Independent TV 7.